Irona sa'yo, guys! So, today is January 7. It's a Monday. And we're starting na rin the vlog a little late. Yeah, we will go out. So, it's already 2:40 and we're gonna go. So, itong isang to, sumisigaw. Kasi we're going to bring him to a dog hotel. Shh! Tonight is our flight kasi. So, we have to drop him off muna sa dog hotel. Dog hotel. Kaya ganyan, medyo na-excite siya. So, I don't know. May sepak siguro si Keon and si Liempo sa isa't isa. And as you can see, the house is a mess. So, we're gonna clean that up before we leave later. So, drop off muna namin si Liempo. And I've packed the bags na. So, tatlo lang yung bag namin. Actually, this one, puro pasalubong yung nasa loob niyan. So, we can bring around 30 kilograms per person eh. So, but this one is around 24 pa lang. This one is only 20. Puro kasi mga maninipis lang na clothing dahil nga, or clothes dahil nga summer doon. Liempo! Let's go! Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Excited! Ooh, somebody's excited / anxious. Hi, Liempo. Saan ka pupunta? Hi! So, medyo nag-shed na siya ng hair, guys. Kasi usually, I think in a year, 4 times ata siya nag-shed. I'm not really sure. Pero nag-change yung season. So, nakikita niyo yan, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, this one is the other car. Para at least mas maluwag yung likod. You say hi, Liempo! Hi!
I bought this cup for Liempo.
Hi! Whatever. Hello! Liempo, are you excited to go... Or mali, are you excited na mag-check-in sa hotel? Are you gonna miss us?
Yeah.
Ha? Or mas excited ka mag-hotel? Wow! Sumasagot si Liempo. Hi! Careful. Oh, why? Wow! Road trip! Liempo road trip! Woohoo! Woohoo! Liempo! Liempo!
기다려.
What floor?
기다려. 위에 하지 말고서 죽여버려.
Grabe guys, oh. Puro buhok na Liempo yung nasa pants ko tsaka sa shoes. Boots. Naka-chanela si Keyon. Liempo!
기다려.
So, ito yun. Wow! Ang daming aso! Wiwi? Ay, oh. So, yun. Inihian ka? Oh, Tagalog lang ako. Wow.
들어와.
Check out this dog attacked me a while ago. Liempo. 어디가? Liempo! He's trying to wee-wee pero may diaper na siya. Liempo, iluwa! Yeah. Liempo, iluwa! Oh! Bye, Liempo! Liempo, bye-bye! Liempo, bye-bye! Bye! 안녕! 감사합니다.
림포.
Bye-bye! 아, 뽀뽀. 연수 뽀뽀. 연수 뽀뽀.
수고하세요. 감사합니다. 캔 톨비까지 얼마 드리면 돼요, 캔이? 한 75,000원 되면 될까요?
Guys, so yeah, we made it. So medyo toxic and okay naman. Marami lang hassles along the way, but we're going na to the gate and we're gonna board na. So see you Sydney in a while. Let's see if I can still take a video inside the airplane. So guys, say hi. You go. Taga, taga. Outfit of the day. Show me your outfit. Hindi makita. Let's go. We made it, Taga. Hindi tayo naiwan ng plane. Bye. See you in Sydney.
잘 가.
Hey, Poggy. You don't have sunglasses? Okay. Okay guys, we're going to leave in a few minutes and na-realize ko hindi pala pantay yung kilay ko. But anyway, wala na tayong time para mag-ayos niyan. And after 10 hours, we'll be in Australia! Yay! So, wala alam ko na gagawin ko. Matutulog lang ako. I forgot to bring a book. But anyway, I'm just gonna sleep. And then, pagising ko, nasa Australia na ako. Maybe could have after 10 hours. So, guys, I'm gonna close this vlog. Please like and share if you haven't already. Please also hit the subscribe button and yung bell button para you'll be uploaded of my uploads kung meron. And we'll see you on our next vlog. So, that will be an Australian vlog. Or vlog in Australia. Annyeong! So, you wanna say bye? Can you close or touch nearby, please?